Good afternoon, Bulldogs. So right now, taking that live look out of our campus cam here, we can see that it's a beautiful day outside right now. It's pretty blue skies with a few clouds here and there. The temperature is currently 81 degrees right here now in Starkville, and that feels like temperature is 80 degrees right now, but the wind's coming out of the north at about 5 miles per hour. And we're looking at our satellite and radar. We have this high pressure system to thank for really leaving the entire southeast and just this pattern of seeing lots of sun and a few clouds here and there for the next couple of days. But if we go down here to this Gulf Coast, we can see that we do have a 40% chance of some tropical formation in the next 7 days. And really just this broad low pressure system over here in the Gulf of Mexico have some showers and thunderstorms that potentially could form into a tropical storm or tropical cyclone of some sort. But we do have this stationary front here all along the Gulf Coast to thank for might not get as north as it would normally because of that stationary front. So we might not see much from this tropical system here that we got right now. But our high temperatures today, we really range anywhere from the the lower 80s all the way up to 85 here in Columbus and Vernon. So we were a little bit more above average today in those temperatures. But in the next coming days, we might slowly start to get back into more of an average temperature pattern. We can see that most of the Mississippi, or all of Mississippi and parts of Alabama, are looking more towards seasonal temperatures, while over here in East Alabama, they're seeing maybe a little bit chance of going below average temperatures. So we get a little bit more in the fall-like temperatures in the next coming days. But if we look at tonight here in Starkville, we'll be dropping down 20 degrees to about 60 degrees. So if you're heading out tomorrow morning, you definitely will need that jacket, and we do have to be careful because we will have a chance of some patchy fog tomorrow. So if you are heading out, once again, you make sure to be careful on the roads in case you see some patchy fog. But tomorrow we are going to have a copy and paste of what we saw today, the high of 87. It's going to be sunny and warm, so another beautiful day in store for us for your Thursday. But if we look at those rain chances for the next couple of days, we do see that Friday we do have a chance of 30% chance to see some showers for your Friday. So if you're heading out to Bulldog Bash, something we will have to be watching for. But if we look at our future cast right now, we can see that really starting off at Thursday at 4 a.m. we do have some clouds here, but really they'll start to be moving in for your Thursday evening. Over here at 4 p.m. we can see the area is a lot more covered with some clouds, and that's really just going to be the story for the next couple of days. Friday at 6 a.m. we still see that we are mainly just seeing some clouds in the area, and then around the afternoon, around 3 p.m. on Friday, we see these isolated showers start to move on through. So if you are going to Bulldog Bash, you definitely will need that jacket, or would be a good idea to keep that jacket with you in case you are going. But for your Saturday evening or Saturday, with those clouds in the morning, but they'll slowly start to move out for your Saturday evening. So like I said, if you are heading out to Bulldog Bash, it is going to be a beautiful day for Bulldog Bash. Starting off at 11 a.m. and your upper 70s, and we'll slowly start to warm up into those 80s as we get to 3 p.m. and as we go into your evening hours. Once the concert's beginning to start, we do see that we get about to 83, and then we'll slowly, as we get to 8 to 11 p.m., cool back down into those lower 70s. So it will be a beautiful day for Bulldog Bash if you're planning on going out to Bulldog Bash. If we get to our 7-day forecast, we really see for the next 7 days, we're going to be staying in those upper to lower 80s, except for here on your Tuesday. We could be dipping down into the 79, but we'll be seeing sunny throughout the entire week, and then those lower temperatures, like I said, we're going to be staying into those middle to lower 60s, except for your Monday and your Tuesday. We could be dipping down until as low as 54 degrees.